Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Law enforcement in St. James. ICE squashes U.S. ICE detention as the embattled western side heats up, ladies and gentlemen. It's a breaking news. Greetings and welcome to Deep Roots TV, ladies and gentlemen. You know I'm Rastafari Soldier, your news anchor. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and leave your comment. The St. James Police are monitoring the United States Immigration Custom Enforcement, which is the ICE detention of the dancehall artist Andre Squash Whittaker, as this may have security implications for the already troublesome Western Division's law enforcers says, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, Andre Whittaker, dancehall squash, was arrested by ICE in South Florida. The Jamaican dancehall artist was detained by the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement, which is ICE in South Florida. And many newspapers has confirmed that. An online record from the agent revealed that as of Monday night, May 22nd, Squash, whose real name, Andrae Maurice Whittaker, was being held at the Krome North Service Processing Center and ICE detention facility in Miami. The Ambala DJ is detained after he has overstayed his visa, the expiration of Title 42, Trump-era rule, and among other things, has restricted the number of people who could be detained in ICE detention facility like Krome. It all comes after Florida Governor Ron DeSantis signed into a law a sweeping immigration bill, which he said was crucial to ensure that the Florida taxpayers are not footing the bill for illegal immigration, according to the local news. But the news measures will not take in effect until July. This isn't Squash's first stint in detention facility. In August of 2018, he was detained in Jamaica under the SOE, a sweep in St. James due to the increased crime and violence in the parish. He spent 5 months in custody without charge before being released in January of 2019, one day before the SOE would to expire. He left Jamaica and performed in the United States for the time of September of 2019 until now. Speaking with onstage host Winford. In Florida last July, Squash expressed his love for Jamaica but spoke about the discomfort with the system and what he described as corruption within his own circle and contributing factors of leaving the island. I can't take the whole down in a Jamaica and corruption in a my little circle. Jamaica small bad, you know. The world big and Jamaica have too much corruption in one little environment. And me can't deal with it, he explained. You see, me know me is not a violent man. People out there might see 6 bars and have me as violent, but I'm a jovial person. Me loving and kind, fun. Me like happiness. Me not like sadness, Squash told Wilford, November of 2022. Associates of Squash, Jaman Shelton. Yeah, you know him is the producer. He got caught up in a situation in the same Florida, now charged with first-degree murder in the United States. Jaman Shelton is a Jamaican national citizen who entered the United States illegally but is on parole status until he see the judge about his status. His arrest affidavit said investigators linked Shelton to a double murder alleged matching the blood 3 samples of the crime scene. Sheldon was known as a principal of violent bushead gang. I did not even know that. The Jamaican Gleaner reported that on May 26, 2022, Sheldon was one of 2 persons who survived a drive-by shooting in Jamaica at a birthday party along Mall Road. However, 3 people, including Shelton's girlfriend, Tony Ann Reed, aka Two Fly of Jarrett Trace, died. In June 2022, dancehall producer Linville Thompson Jr., more popularly known as Shabdan, was one of 2 persons charged in relations to the drive-by shooting. He remained remanded. Meanwhile, according to Shelton's arrest affidavit, more arrests may be looming. An anonymous tip stated that the double murder was gang-related, and the men with the alias Squashman, J-Man, and Fredman, who called themselves the G City Gang, were involved. In late October 2022, Squash denied report that he was involved in gang activity. "Uno lower for me name, bad man," Squash said. "Uno just leave me alone, brother. Make man live. Low man, make man survive, brother. Stop mix up man in a violent and crime business, brother. Music man I do over here. So, brother, strictly music man I do over here, so. Bad man," he continued. As the leader of the Montego Bay 6 clan, Squash also one of the most popular artists in dancehall. Some of him dancehall tune include Beat Them Bad with Vibe Start Well, "Ohh Lala," "Rat Who Rate Yo," "Rate Who Rate Yo," "Trending," "Sweepstake Life," and "Bala," and of course, Scotch and Soda. Ladies and gentlemen, I had to touch this one cause I've been all over. Yeah, in the United States, Canada, England, and Jamaica. And people that subscribe, like, and share to the channel say, "Ross, why you not talk about Squash?" But I wanted to make sure that all the information was clarified and public. You hear what I'm saying? St. James, Jamaica. The Jamaican police in St. James, the law enforcement in St. James is on high alert right now. Why? Because them are pray Squash lock up Yoagan T in South Florida. He has been arrested and he is being held in ICE detention. South Florida, it has nothing to do about the case with J-Man. Just to clarify that he is being held because he has overstayed his work permit. So him down on ICE. So if you don't see him get dipped within 6, then Squash, I go walk the street. Because after about 3 months, if them not dip you out, and you spend about 6 months, 180 days, you can stay and play. So, may I say good luck to the 6 boss, and I hope you're learning your lesson that in America, you can hold hold fast. I hear me here, see I inform pan the 6 boss and call immigration pan him. Leave your comment and make me know what I want. Word in the street is that they had to do it because the 6 boss was still living a life that was sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. I am telling you, the 6 boss has been picked off. Yeah, Squash get picked like a pumpkin. him get picked like a million by the South Florida ICE. I'm talking about the Corrections, Customs, and Immigration. Yeah, department in South Florida have him a stew right now. Big up on yourself. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you leave a comment. I try to answer all of my comments. More life, more joy, more happiness. It's being reported that St. James Police is on high alert, keeping an eye on ICE. Yeah, me I talk about the Immigration and Customs. Yeah, in a South Florida, where whole squash them say him pick off squash like a pumpkin. Yo, I hope them not have him down there stew with some dumpling. Yo, subscribe, like, and share. Lock off ya. What you have to say?
Yo, deep Roots TV. We're there on the block. See it? All that. Don't know enough. Want to do your thing, you know, brother. You don't know more time how the things stay down the yard there, you know. You don't know the things stay, but the fire still have to burn. Duh. It still have to burn. The man them take the cool down, you know. And you know, say some get out hotter than them from long time. And still down here, all that. I watch you now. Blaze the fire and start. See me talk them there. See them here.